Run the Table Sports TV.
So when we get off the bus, when we leave here, you can understand one thing. It's about respect. The number you have on your back, the name you have on your back, your parents are coming to watch you. You want your parents to walk out of that stadium tall. You're going to walk out of that stadium tall. Now I said this to the D-line. I brought my phone up here, and I'm going to read something to you. Because I love this kid like he's my son. And I earn his respect. This is from Will Anderson this morning. What's up, Coach? Good luck tomorrow, man. Tell the boys leave no doubt that they own the trenches. And you know what he left with? I love you and I miss you. Well, you know what? I love and I miss him. But you know what? La famiglia in Italian means family. And I love him.